Today we are going to be, I think, let's go tour my house. Okay, so I have the ruler's castle, which is the basically most expensive house you can get with Adopt Me money. And so if you let's walk in my purple mansion. And we have my cash machine, just because, I don't know, people like to pay me. Whatever. And then if we walk in here, we have my kitchen. And for some reason, I have this random crib right here, just because, I don't know, instead of walking all the way upstairs, I have it right there. And then we have my bathroom with the bathtub, a mirror, and the toilet. So next we're gonna go into the dining room, which I almost never use. I'm thinking I should just make it into a downstairs bedroom. Maybe I'll make that in another video. Or a pet room. But this is the dining room. Okay, so now we are going to go upstairs. And we have my sister's bedroom, or the guest bedroom, I guess. We have a bed. I have the DJ studio, which basically controls the music that's in the house. And also, so this is the, I don't know, a playroom, I guess. We don't have bathrooms upstairs, we just have playrooms in the extra rooms. And now we're going to go to my wonderful room, which is over here. And so I have 3 cribs right here. And then I have these random catwalk stairs right here. And my garden, which is very expensive and pretty nice. It's like a hangout area for me, I guess. And a lot of people know about this, but I'm just going to give you a tour of my glitch as well. So I walk through here. I have my tree stumps and table from when the fairy update came out. And then I have the grill. Then if we walk up these catwalk stairs, oh, it's daytime, yay. If we walk up the catwalk stairs, then we can get up to a whole nother house, but it's a glitch. So we have the modern couches with floor carpets put together, and I think a modern table as well. And then if we go if we go to the living room, we have table, a bunch of random kitchen stuff. Not random, usual kitchen stuff. And then I have a big head cauldron. I just bought it because I wanted it. Then we have the crib room. I have a bunch of walls around it just because if someone a little kid were to stay in here, they're really easy at falling off the glitch, which takes you straight back to your house, and you're not able to get back here unless they find my house. So I have 4 cribs, some books on the floor, and 2 closets. So I think that's the whole house for now. I am going to build a bathroom later on, but that is it for now. I'm going to show you my pets, I guess, and then that'll be all for today. So we're going to teleport to the gift display. And this is my first YouTube video. Don't expect me to be good at this. I'm just going to show you my pets. Sorry if the screen doesn't look that well. It's still a little loading. I guess I'll just get a good view for you. Okay, there's me. We have, my first pet is the giraffe, which is a legendary. Oh my gosh, you can't even see it? What's wrong with this thing? Okay, well, I guess we'll show you the giraffe another day. Let's see if the flamingo works. Okay, yeah, you can see the flamingo. The flamingo is my well, a flamingo is my favorite animal, so I take very good care of my flamingo. I have 2 red pandas. I'm just going to show you one of them just because they're both the exact same. I named it Heaven. And I have my Shiba Inu, which I think I just got today in a trade. I have a beaver. Most of my pets are newborn because I only take care of like legendaries and stuff like that. But I still trade. I still do good stuff with them. And I have a hyena. I thought I traded this, but I guess I didn't. You can't really see the hyena either. Sorry about that. And so I'm gonna. Then I have the blue dog, and I have 4 phoenix foxes. This is one of them. You can't really see it, but this is the only pet I have that's rideable. Oh my gosh, it looks like I'm riding on nothing. Sorry for the invisible stuff. I'm sorry, the game is being weird. Then I have my pink cat, which is pretty rare unless you did the update thing. I don't know, I traded mine, but I traded to get it. I have a puma, which I recently got as well. I have a buffalo, which isn't that rare, but I guess I got it. I have 2 cats. One of them is a neon cat, which I'm very proud of. I worked really hard to get a neon pet. And neon pets aren't common. I almost see no one with neon pets. I have a dog, a regular dog. A lot of people have them. They're very common. I have 2 otters. And that is the end of the video for today.